Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two broker, which is Lightyear broker and Interactive broker. Just quickly get started and dive into it. But before that, always know that this video is collective data review. So let's get started. Lightyear is built for simplicity and a clear interface, commission-free stock trading, and interest on ideal cash make it great for beginners or casual investors. It's affordable and easy to use, but it lacks advanced tools and global reach and a complex trading option. Talking about Interactive broker, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for serious trader. It offers access to global market advanced analytics and in multiple asset classes at low professional rate. However, it's more complex to navigate and can feel intimidating for new users. So in short, Lightyear wins for ease and simplicity, while Interactive broker dominate for depth and versatility. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.